This is going to be the easiest egg fried rice. Heat up a pan over high heat, add 2 tablespoons cooking oil, pour 2 beaten eggs, scramble the eggs, add 250 grams overnight rice, break down the rice, mix it with the eggs. Season the rice with 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoon oyster sauce, and some white pepper. I like to push down the rice and flatten it like this. Let it sit for 30 seconds, then release the rice. This technique will make your rice dry. Add half cup of chopped spring onion, and it's done. Didn't I say this is easy? Enjoy!